easy Leetcode question for 12 Fizz bus and given an integer n and a return a string array. The answer is one index based where usually our index start from 0 and it's one index here. So basically for I, if it's divisible by 3 and 5, it will have to return Fizz bus, and if it's divisible by 3, then you have to return Fizz, and by 5, then you have to return bus. In any other case, then you just return I, the number. Basically, it wants you to print the number starting from index 1 to 1, 2, and 3 will be Fizz, right? Because it's divisible by 3. And if it's 5, it will be 1, 2, Fizz, and 4 and 5 is bus. And if it's 15, then it will be 1, 2, 3, and the rest are just numbers. And then the 15 will be Fizz bus as it mentioned here. And it's on constraints here, and the company asked this question in the last 6 months. It's a fairly straightforward question, and all you need to do is use the range function in Python and just basically print out all the numbers, and you do condition check. If it's divisible by 3 and that you just change the output to the output they give to you, and then you append the result to the end list array. And then the only thing you need to pay attention is the range. And let me show you how to do this in code. So basically I want to set a result to empty array at the beginning, just like how they specify the output. So for I in range, so usually the range will start from 0, right? Because it will be one index. So you want to make sure the range starts from 1. So it will be 1, 2, 3. And because when n equals to 3, I can't specify as n, right? Because if I specify n here, it will just print until 2. Basically, that's if I say 3 here, and the range it will print to me is 1, 2. That's it. So if in order to print until n, I need to plus 1 here. So basically the range will be n plus 1. And then that's the range, that small details that you need to pay attention to. And basically if I is divisible by 3 in that's Python, meaning the remainder is 0, and I is also divisible by 5. It's also remainder is 0. You want to append the result as Fizz bus in this case, right? You want to append that into the result. Elif if I is divisible by 3 equals to 0, right? And then you want to rest append. It's really easy, straightforward, is because that you just need to append whatever they ask you to do to the result. And another scenario is I is divisible by 5 if it's equal to 0, right? And I'm just gonna append the result as bus 5. And then the rest of the scenario, and you just print it, and it's set as a string if none of the above condition is true. So that's the else situation. I'm still gonna append the result, but I'm just gonna append the string I in this case. So then it will print all the result and append it to the result, and then in the end I'm just gonna return the result. And let's check it. Yep. If you think this is helpful, please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon with more Leetcode questions. Bye bye.